use this young man. They called him Chokora. The people of Kalou wakasema tunapenda chokora wetu. Wampatie nafasi ya settle down ndio wafanyie kazi. Kwa hivyo nataka niulize kwa heshima ukuje useme jambo, useme shukrani kwa watu ya Kalou na kwa Wakenya. And I want to thank all those people who gave their financial contributions. Kamau's campaign was funded by well-wishers. As we have no access to public funds, even if we had access to public funds, we are not thieves. We will never steal public funds to invest in an election. All those who contributed money and equipment and T-shirts and caps, those who contributed vehicles for the campaign ya Mheshimiwa Kamau, nataka niseme asante. Hata wale mlipeana pesa kwa hii campaign, mnajua kabisa hii pesa ilitumika vizuri. Not even a cent was diverted. Because fighting 1.1 billion is not a joke. Fighting 14 billion is not a joke. Fighting goons is not a joke. Na wale vijana wetu jana, vijana 10,000 ambayo walilida hii kura na polling station. Hao vijana ninawapenda sana. Hata nitawalika wa Munyoro wakuje niwachinjie. Hao vijana ni mashujaa wetu. Those are our heroes and we are very proud of them. Na tunashukuru sana. Wacha tumkaribishe mheshimiwa aseme kitu kidogo.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. First of all is to thank God for this momentous occasion. We prayed to God from the beginning. To those who followed my campaign trail, I said that I fasted and prayed and I begged God for a job. And I told him if I get a job to serve the people of Kalou, that I'll do so diligently and to the best of my ability. So this win or this glory all goes back to God. Secondly, I want to thank the people of Kalou. You've shown what you've been told by His Excellency. You withstood all those forms of bribery from government. From morning you'd wake up to be ferried by vehicles, given rice, given beans, given cooking oil, given handouts going to thousands of money per person. People had even abandoned their farms because there was money flowing in our constituency. You withstood all that. And what I'm even more proud of is that yesterday you even withstood tear gas, gunshot bullets, and you protected all those polling stations. The people of Kalou, I owe my presence here to you. You lifted me from dust. Against all odds, I have become the member of parliament of Kalou. Yes. Mbarikiwe sana na nitawafanyia kazi kwa roho yangu yote. I promised you that I may not deliver much, but I promised you that I'll be there when you need me. Amen. I will defend the community and my people with my blood and my soul. To His Excellency, the People's Deputy President. Yesterday I said when accepting that you are the stone that the builder rejected, and now it has become the cornerstone. Those advisors from the mountain told the president that you'll be forgotten within 2 weeks. Months came, years came. Now we are here. If you want anything to do with the mountain, the only person you can consult is His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Yes. The people of the mountain can only listen to His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua because he is a person who is charged by the mountain to lead the people. We want to give you courage. Unite all of us. Don't leave any one of us behind. Apart from the few crooks that have decided to work with those who want to kill us, those who are raping our children and our wives and our mothers. But for the rest of the community, we want to urge you on. May God protect you, because we have heard of attempts by this government wanting to take your life away. But our resolve as the people is to protect you. The way the people of Kalou protected the votes yesterday, will protect our party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua.
Yes.
Another voice that has come from Kalou, if you are in the mountain and you want to become a member of parliament, a member of county assembly, even a chairman of the cattle dip, you want to be the governor, you want to be a senator, you must be a member of DCP. There is no shortcut to it. United we shall stand, because we have seen what happened in 2022. And we have declared with all our iota that DCP shall live beyond us. It is not a one-term party. It shall go beyond 2027, 2032, and in the future. This is the party for the mountain, and by extension, all Kenyans will join this party because it has ideals. To all those wishing to vie, I want to have a word with you. One, if you check the nominations of all Kalou, if it was all about money, I would not be here. The credibility of the nominations were beyond reproach. Join DCP without fear. Bring on board what you have. Yesterday I was speaking to some of the aspirants, and I told them, if it's finances, use them well. If it is your power to plan, plan efficiently and effectively. If it is the power of the mouth, if you can talk well, talk well. Go to the people, because the people shall decide.
Yes.
There is no one who will be helped by the party. You go to the people vote, and the best candidate is awarded the certificate. So I wish you all those that joined and helped us during this campaign, we want to thank you. Our numbers is what won us the victory. We were so many on the ground, and that's why we had this win. I want to encourage every one of us. Let us visit these constituencies, join hands with the rest of our people, encourage each other, because this struggle, I would not have done it with the senator and Wanjiku Wamuhe. And that brave young man called Senator Medho, the future of Nyandarua. And today I want to, on his behalf and the people of Nyandarua, receive that honor that you have been given by His Excellency, that we are the headquarters of Itugati. Hep hep, hep hep, hep hep, hep hep. Thank you. As I finish, His Excellency, the young man that has been said here, James is a man that I've known from childhood. He hails from Mombi area. Most of the time you'll find him in Captain. 10 or 15 minutes before, we had chased those wounded thugs, and we left the police station and went to another area. He told me with his own words, little did I know that it would come to pass. He said that he will safeguard all the votes, even if it means his life. A few moments later, I was called by the person in charge we had placed in charge of the police station. And he told us that one of the guys had been wounded, just to confirm it is him. Few hours later, we confirmed that his life had gone. Rest in peace, comrade. You put in a brave fight. You are there to protect the community and the votes of your people. Your bravery will never be forgotten. As we lay you to rest, probably next week, we want to put a very strong voice to this government. The uniformed policemen performed very well. But what was worrying is that they had orders from other quarters. Because whenever those wounded thugs would approach, they never acted. They would even have access to polling stations. At St. Joseph, it took brave young men and women to pull them out. They were even firing at close range, at AC, at Mombi, at Simba. In Nyandundo, it is women who disarmed one of the thugs. We want to tell this government, we are not going the Haiti way. We love this country very much. But if that's what you want, we will take you and deport you to Haiti and leave Kenya for us.
Thank you.
Kenya is a peaceful nation. We want it to remain as such. So I want to kindly request, with the permission of His Excellency, we honor that young man that died by giving him a minute of silence. Thank you and God bless you all.
No. Hii kijana ameanza kazi. I am very encouraged. Anasema hii akina Kasongo akina Mungumen waende Haiti. Wawache sisi hapa.